When an earthquake strikes, two things can happen. A house can be completely damaged or it can be partially damaged. PD3R stands for Post-Disaster Rapid Response Retrofit. What PD3R wants to do is to assess those houses that can be fixed or strengthened, and doing that in a very quick way using artificial intelligence.
We worked with the artificial intelligence solutions. We dealt with the data that was provided by the rest of our team members. We used the IBM Watson engine, the visual recognition engine, to train our classifier. We also used the Watson API to build a mobile application where homeowners can upload those images and then the classifier would be deployed.
Where I come from, Nepal, it's very vulnerable to earthquakes. My family was affected and they experienced this earthquake and multiple aftershocks, which was a very traumatic experience. Because of this, everybody over there live in constant fear of how our country would be able to respond to the next big disaster.
I believe Code for Code is a very good opportunity to scale things up and to scale good ideas.
We deploy dynamic artificial intelligence to be able to offer free structural engineering advice in disaster-prone regions and be able to ultimately save lives after disasters.